Hello everybody and welcome back again. Hola a todos y bienvenidos nuevamente. Ya estamos en la parte número 6 de la serie de videos Aprende frases en inglés. No olvides tomar un cuaderno, anotar estas frases y practicarlas cuantas veces sea necesario. Si te gustan estos tipos de videos para aprender inglés, no olvides suscribirte, darle like y compartir con tus amigos. Dicho todo esto, comenzamos. Hello. Hello. Hola. Repite. Hello. How are you? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Estoy bien. I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Gracias. Thank you. And you. And you. ¿Y tú? And you. You're welcome. You're welcome. De nada. You're welcome. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. What's your name? What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? My name is. My name is. Mi nombre es. My name is. Good morning. Good morning. Buenos días. Good morning. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Buenas tardes. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Buenas noches. Good night. Goodbye. Goodbye. Adiós. Goodbye. See you soon. See you soon. Hasta pronto. See you soon. See you soon. See you later. See you later. Hasta luego. See you later. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Me too. Me too. Yo también. Me too. What are you doing? What are you doing? ¿Qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? Nothing. 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 Nada. Nothing. Are you busy? Are you busy? ¿Estás ocupado? Are you busy? Yes, I'm busy. Sí, estoy ocupado. Yes, I'm busy. Are you free? ¿Estás libre? Are you free? Are you free? Yes, I'm free. Sí, estoy libre. Yes, I'm free. Yes, I'm free. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Tengo hambre. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Tengo sed. I'm thirsty. Let's eat. Vamos a comer. Let's eat. Let's eat. Where do you live? ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? Where do you live? What are you studying? What are you studying? ¿Qué estudias? What are you studying? How is your family? ¿Cómo está tu familia? How is your family? How is your family? Very good. Muy bien. Very good. Very good. Muy bien. Very bad. Very bad. Muy mal. Very bad. Do you want to eat? ¿Quieres comer? Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat? What's your phone number? ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Call me. Llámame. Call me. Call me. Llámame. I will call you. Te llamaré. I will call you. I will call you. Let's go out. Vamos a salir. Let's go out. Let's go out. Vamos a salir. What do you want to do? ¿Qué quieres hacer? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? It's delicious. It's delicious. Es delicioso. It's delicious. I want more. Quiero más. I want more. I want more. It is okay. It is okay. It's okay. Está bien. It's okay. It is okay. I don't feel like it. No tengo ganas. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. Thanks for the food. Thanks for the food. Gracias por la comida. Thanks for the food. May I help you? ¿Puedo ayudarle? May I help you? May I help you? Can you help me? ¿Puedes ayudarme? Can you help me? Can you help me? ¿Puedes ayudarme? I will help you. Le ayudaré. I will help you. I will help you. Thanks for your help. Gracias por tu ayuda. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Gracias por tu ayuda. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? ¿Qué estás pensando? What are you thinking? Early, temprano. Early, early, temprano. Late, tarde. Late, late, tarde. I arrive early. Llegué temprano. I arrive early. I arrive early. Llegué temprano. I arrive late. Llegué tarde. I arrive late. I arrive late. Date, fecha. Date, date. I'm tired. Estoy cansado. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. Tengo sueño. I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. I'm going to sleep. Me voy a dormir. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. I have homework. Tengo tarea. I have homework. I have homework. It is easy. Es fácil. It's easy. It's easy. It is easy. It is difficult. It's difficult. Es difícil. It's difficult. It is difficult. Where's the restroom? ¿Dónde está el baño? Where's the restroom? Where's the restroom? ¿Dónde está el baño? Over there, por ahí. Over there. Over there, por ahí. Here, aquí. Here. Here, aquí. Here. Come here. Ven aquí. Come here. Come here. I'm sorry. Lo siento. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Have a nice day. Que tengas un buen día. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Que tengas un buen día. You too. Tú también. You too. You too. Tú también. I understand. Entiendo. I understand. I understand. I don't understand. No entiendo. I don't understand. I don't understand. No entiendo. Do you understand? Do you understand? ¿Entiendes? Do you understand? What's there to eat? What's there to eat? ¿Qué hay para comer? What's there to eat? What's there to drink? ¿Qué hay para beber? What's there to drink? What's there to drink? Today. Hoy. Today. 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 Yesterday. Ayer. Yesterday. Yesterday. Tomorrow. Mañana. Tomorrow. Tomorrow. What did you do today? ¿Qué hiciste hoy? What did you do today? What did you do today? What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? ¿Qué hiciste ayer? What did you do yesterday? ¿Qué hiciste ayer? How beautiful. Qué lindo. How beautiful. How beautiful. What are you saying? ¿Qué estás diciendo? What are you saying? What are you saying? Did you like it? ¿Te ha gustado? Did you like it? Did you like it? I like it. Me gusta. I like it. I like it. Do you want some? ¿Quieres un poco? Do you want some? Do you want some? ¿Quieres un poco? I think so. Creo que sí. I think so. I think so. Creo que sí. I don't think so. Creo que no. I don't think so. I don't think so. Creo que no. Good idea. Buena idea. Good idea. Good idea. Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres?